Hi, my name is Corinne Werner. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm one of the mental health counselors at UHS. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about some common myths and misconceptions about group therapy and workshops, and then I'll review some common experiences from people who have actually attended these events. First up, 5 common myths. 1. Individual therapy is better than group therapy. 2. I'm too anxious for group. 3. Workshops don't help and I'm not really sure what they entail. 4. I can't open up to others and being vulnerable is too uncomfortable. 5. What if I don't relate? While these ideas and thoughts understandably come up, they're not necessarily accurate representations of what people experience when attending group therapy or workshops. Oftentimes, students discover that these types of communal support actually benefit them more than they initially realized. Now I'll review 5 common experiences from participants who've actually attended group therapy and or workshops. 1. I learned that I'm not alone and that everyone struggles. 2. Workshops showed me what I really need to work on. 3. Weekly group therapy held me accountable to my goals. 4. Groups provided me insight into how I relate to others. And 5. I learned how to feel more comfortable being vulnerable. Other benefits include decreased social isolation and loneliness, getting multiple perspectives about your concerns, and feeling more comfortable in identifying, feeling, and expressing your emotions. So, if you're feeling nervous about joining a group therapy or workshop at UHS, please know that these feelings are valid. And it's important to consider that most students, after attending these and trying them out, these feelings often dissipate pretty quickly afterward. And truly, there are so many benefits that you can gain from attending group therapy or workshops. So, for more information about our services at UHS, please visit our website. Thanks.